Keoladeo National Park is one of India's most important wetland ecosystems. What appears wild is carefully balanced, shaped by seasons, water, and time. For 3 days, this landscape became both classroom and canvas. Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome from Bharatpur, and I'm here for a photography competition hosted by the uh, Rajasthan Forest Department. And I'll be not just photographing birds because this journey will be part conservation, part migration, and part habitat. Some birds arrive only to rest, others arrive to begin life. Painted stalks turn entire trees into breeding colonies, raising thousands of chicks above the wetlands. Each feeding run is a lifeline, each return flight a calculation of survival. As evening settles over the grasslands, the Sarus cranes emerge. Known for lifelong pair bonds, their courtship is expressed through dance. Each step strengthens a bond that can last decades. Beyond courtship, rituals of care unfold quietly. Preening maintains flight, warmth, and survival. And in the shallows, survival plays out in real time. A single strike determines the outcome. From courtship to care to capture. Every ritual serves the same purpose: continuity of life. Not all life in Keoladeo takes flight. Along the edges of the wetland, the jackal moves silently. Predators like these maintain balance, shaping the rhythm of the ecosystem. Between moments of action, the wetland breathes. Reflections blur the boundaries between water and sky. Here, photography becomes less about pursuit and more about presence. Life here does not belong to birds alone. Fruit bats roost in large colonies, playing a vital role in sustaining forests beyond the wetland. Preening and sunning are essential rituals. Even survival behaviors reveal unexpected beauty. And as daylight softens, the nocturnal guardians reveal themselves, silent observers of a landscape they share. Keoladeo's story is not written by one species, but by many. Wetlands like Keoladeo are more than protected spaces. They are migratory lifelines, sustaining journeys across continents. Their survival determines whether these journeys can continue. Some of these images will enter a competition, but the greater reward lies in witnessing a place where life gathers, breathes, and moves onward. Long after the camera is packed away, the journeys continue. So, a few days ago, I was asked this question on why Bharatpur is so important. And I think the true meaning of that is Bharatpur is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a Ramsar wetland internationally recognized, and it is not important on a national level but on an international level. It hosts various migratory species of birds coming from Russia, Mongolia, Europe, Central Asia, and it becomes their winter paradise, if you say so. And the uh, importance of this place does not only end there. Because Bharatpur's water is annually maintained for these birds to come here and call this their home for winters. And due to the forest department's help, Rajasthan government's help, the birds are provided with the food and natural resources to stay here, and this ecosystem is maintained. And this is also an example that we are, as humans, we are not only destroying the habitat but also protecting it, and this is a very good example of it. This is where I'm sitting currently, and in front of me is a pair of Sarus that are in courtship, trying to film them. Today's evening sunset in Bharatpur with Mr. Vihan Upadhyay. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
But here's the surprise. We are in a boat.